king, you know it. King already, you know it. Top everything, you know it. King already, you know it. My body so on a king body. Body gon' shine, bling, bling body. Calling all the shots, ring body. Crown on your head, got a king body. You a king, you know it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Berlin, and on today's video, I am going to show you one easy hack on how to clean your shower without having to lean over, causing back issue. And if you have back issues, this video is for you. So I am also going to be cleaning out my closet today. So if you guys are interested, stay tuned.
So get yourself a broom or an old broom that you've had for a while.
So this is my shower, and the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean out everything, and then we can get started with this video. So I just finished clearing out the shower. I'm gonna get ready to get started. The cleaning product that I am using is bleach, Awesome, Ajax, and a little bit of Dawn soap. So whichever product that you like, you can go ahead and use, but those are the, I think, 4 that I'm gonna be using.
Love's coming back in style. We'll be riding to my song. Pretty, pretty, there ain't nothing going wrong. Really, really, so good when you came my way. You came in laughing almost every day. Life can't be better as long as we stay together. Come sit down, Let's celebrate this love, baby. What do we? We know this is real. Everybody's looking at me and you, cause you can relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. You make me smile. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going, but I can take you anywhere you wanna go. You make me laugh. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. We be eating hamburgers and fries. We be up watching movies all night. We ain't riding on 22s. We saving our money. And we be eating ice cream and cake. We going through life like it's our birthday. Riding on 22s. We saving our money. I'm saving our money. Oh, can't relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. You make me smile. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going. I can take it anywhere you know. I can take it anywhere you know me. They know you and me not We about to throw one. Know you like my family. They know you better be at this party. They know meet my family. Come on.
No judgment zone. So I'm gonna give you guys a little tour of my closet. I'm gonna leave everything as is because I don't want to clean up anything or for you guys to not see it at its natural state. So I'm gonna leave everything as is, and we're gonna clean this closet. So let me turn the camera around so you guys can see what's going on in here.
So on this side right here are my short dresses, some of my coats. Oh gosh, look at this floor. I'm so embarrassed, guys. Please don't judge me. These are some of the items I purchased for my birthday that I have not gotten a chance to put away. More stuff that I purchased that I have not put away. These are my blazers, all my blazers, my skirts, pants, tops, and any long dresses, my hats. Look at this. This is crazy. I look like a hoarder.
When you know it, oh, you make me laugh. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. Get your clothes and let's take a drive. True love's coming back in style. We'll be riding to my song. Pretty, pretty, there ain't nothing going wrong. Really, really, so good when you came hamburgers and fries. We be up watching movies all night. We ain't riding on 22s. We saving our money, we saving our money. And we be eating ice cream and cake. We going through like it's our birthday. Riding on 22s. We saving our money, I'm saving our money. Oh, can't relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. You make me smile, you like good food. You're from that place, you're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going. I can take it anywhere, you know. I can take it anywhere, you know me. They know you and me, not price. About to throw one. I know you like my family. They know you better be at this party. They know meet my family. Come on, I can take it anywhere, so come by. They know you and me got a vibe. So baby, won't you come? Can't relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. You make me smile. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going, but I can take it anywhere, you know it. Oh, you make me laugh, you like good food. You're from that place, you're from my place. I'm not the type's gotta have someone. I'm not the type's gotta be in love. I had a lot of people come and go, and plus anyway, I'm used to being solo. But it was good when you came to me. You were the one to make me believe that life could be better, that we can get by together.
So every week I try to tackle at least one area of the house. Now that I'm done with the organizing my closet and my bathroom, I'm gonna go ahead and make dinner for my family. Today I am making legumes, which is one of my favorite Haitian dish. It consists of eggplant, cabbage, coyotes, I believe it's called, carrots. It's a mixed vegetable. So my vegetables are boiling. I've already cleaned my meat. I am seasoning with my my pre-made seasoning épices. So let's get started.
You keep it popping almost every day. Life can't be better as long as we stay together. Come sit down. Celebrate this love, baby. What we found, we know this is real. Everybody's looking at me and you, 'cause you can't relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. You make me smile. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going, but I can take it anywhere, you know. Anywhere you wanna go. You make me laugh. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. We be eating hamburgers and fries. We be up watching movies all night. We ain't riding on 22s. We saving our money. We saving our money. And we be eating ice cream and cake. We going through like it's our birthday. Riding on 22s. We saving our money. I'm saving our money. Oh, can't relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. You make me smile. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going. I can take it anywhere, you know. I can take it anywhere, so know me by. They know you and me, not price. Come meet my family. We about to throw up. We about to throw one. I know you like my family. They know you better be at this party. They know meet my family. Come on, I can take it anywhere, so come by. They know you and me got a vibe. So baby, won't you come?
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. I'm gonna go have a seat and enjoy my dinner.